Hi, I'm Ben H from the mountain of Switzerland, and today I like to show you something about these two free Arena plugins as a showcase of that. So you see first, the first improve why I do this two plugins is for to have a great background for this sci-fi scene of the TiXEL tutorial by this free assets. There you can build your own, and so you have the last component to complete this scene, the background, the starry sky background. I'm switching out of that here for short, and we go to TiXL. We go to Arena, and I'll show you some thing about that plugins. First, when you want to use that in this CV scene, then you have to use also a mask. You have to put the effect mask. You can find it on the effect here. Look at where is my mouse on the effect here. You type in mask and then you put it in the mask here. Oh, this is the wrong one. The normally mask. They call it just mask. And then you toggle load and you search for this file, for this PNG picture. This is the earth mask. I put this in the folder where you can download the plugins also. So you can use that as the mask for this CV theme, because if you don't do that, there is a little bit overlapping that thing here. So you need the mask. I have done that quick before, so you can see this here in this region, the last of that. And the other one, settings of the starry sky of 25, looks like that. You can see here. But I give you on the way this composition, mostly of course about that two layers here, the layer 1 and the layer 2, because there you can find some opposition presets. It's like presets. There are not presets. I don't do in presets because it doesn't work really good to give presets out for other users, because there is a problem at Resolume BV. They don't do that really well. They say it functions, but it doesn't function because if you use something like that, some timeline or something like FFG music synchronization or stuff like that that you don't have in Wire, then it doesn't works to make the preset really good. They don't. Anyway, you can do your preset for yourself. I would like to show you later. Okay. First, we take us out of that scene here. I prepare something just like that, and then we take us out of that whole scene. and putting down TiXL itself because my GPU is then very powering. So I just want to show you these two plugins, some oppositions that you can use. This is a bit powered, speed powered Starry Sky, but you must go to play. If you use the first time, just play. Also, after maybe 1200 12,670 seconds, you must use that restart button. Then doesn't use play, they don't work. When you are on the end of this line here on this 12,670 seconds, then or frames, I believe is seconds, but it's also important which speed you use then in that other section here. Okay, anyway, if it stops, then click the restart. Okay, this as for that. And I have integrated some effects. You can find that effects down here in the effect section. It starts with the main options here, the options, and when you scroll down, then you came to the effect section, and then you have here below. You see this is a distortion effect, and I go back to the original what I have programmed for that file here, and so you have a mirror. It's you have two oppositions to bring them in. First, you have a fast opposition to by just a click to starting by just a click. You can put the mirror in the off position by you make it toggle green, then it's off, then it's not doesn't work. When it's on, you have also a wet and dry position, or better a dry. Here is dry and here is wet. Like an audio effect, this slang comes from audio effects, where I worked 30 years before with C-Lab or stuff like that in a MIDI home recording studio. So it was in off, this plugin. And when you want to save all these oppositions, I hope so it works. I don't know really that it works in full by the effect and all that stuff. I hope so. You must test it out for that. But you have this composition, and there you can find this preset values what I defined for you as a starting point to learn about these plugins.